Vijit Vijayargi. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Nectar.ai. At the beginning of this year, you might have all seen news around tech CEOs talking about AI agents entering the enterprise space. And that did happen. Salesforce committed to deploy 1 billion AI agents. But the end result, 95% of these AI projects are failing. And this is as per the recent MIT research. Now, one of the big reasons behind this is lack of trusted data, right? There's 22 years of garbage sitting in any of the CRM systems because it was adopted by humans. And if you look at it, I've been a salesperson myself. This is what a CRM screen looks like. You have to do so much of data entry into like structured inputs in CRM. And it basically doesn't tell you the truth. So CRM doesn't have the truth, but conversations do. That was our founding insight. And that's what we wanted to solve for. But it's not just about data automation. Like this lack of poor data, which is impacting some of these AI projects to solve the board level problems, is actually impacting revenue as well. So there's a big revenue leakage that's happening in the enterprise space. So to solve this problem, what we've done is we've built a solution called DAISY, which is Deep AI Signals for You. It basically extracts all the unstructured communication data that exists in your enterprise relationships across your go-to-market team, as well as your buying group of your customer. This first-party unstructured data we bring into our own knowledge graph, where it basically analyzes data at scale, and then it scans all the system of records like Salesforce or Snowflake, and then it updates the gaps in the system automatically. No human touch involved, no change management required, and all populates historical data as well in a very secure and compliant manner. We also built our own MCP to push this data directly into AI agents like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini to give you like a full visibility to unlock AI use cases. Coming to the product, there are two aspects of it. There's a vibe coding assistant that helps you build these signals to convert unstructured data to revenue signals. And then there is an AI agent that lives within the enterprise application like Salesforce, which displays this data at scale in a very seamless manner. I'll show you both. And to get anybody started, we have a prompt library, which we have built over working with hundreds of customers, and it's an enterprise-grade secure product. This is how the prompt library look like. You can go and pick up any of the prompts or design your own. So let's go through one of the prompts that is in design. So in a plain English, you can talk to Daisy, which is the signal builder here. In this case, it's looking for helping summarize an opportunity which exists in any of the customer relationship. So it can suggest you what parameters you can use to summarize this opportunity, or you can actually give your own inputs. So what right now is happening is, as a RevOps person or a Salesforce administrator, instead of writing complicated code or going through weeks of cycles with my implementation partner, I can actually ask Daisy to go and collect the data from my own communications and write the code, and this code gets converted into a signal which will show up in Salesforce. So in this case, an opportunity summary code is getting generated, and let's just move to like a more complicated one, right? In this case, let's compute something like an engagement score. What is my relationship score with a particular prospect? So Nectar is not just able to do structured data entry, it's also able to compute this data and be able to create formulas and structured fields that can further enhance the signal penetration into Salesforce. So in this case, while AI will give you some of the recommendation, but you can also like give more logic, which is actually in line with your own sales playbook. So you might have different playbook for a mid-market or an enterprise or different segment or geography type. The AI can take all those inputs. As you can see, it's generating the real-time code in seconds, and you can actually see it all coming together in a system like Salesforce or any CRM application. So I'll show you how it looks like in Salesforce. So this is like my own Salesforce instance, where you can see this data. All the data here is populated by our AI. And the AI agent I was talking about, which lives in Salesforce, will look something like this. The agent is running right now. It's real production instance, and it worked. So what you can see here is that it's pulled out all the data that we fed into the system. It generated the data, the summary of what's happened in the last 14 days, the story so far in this account, and all the other signals that were there. Coming to attraction, we've been getting a lot of validation on our PMF. Nectar has actually become a GTM telemetry system for the agentic enterprise. We work with even AI companies like Cursor, Writer, Grok that use us, as well as fintech companies like Drex and email security companies like Mimecast who use us. We raised 6 million seed round with Nexus, BCAP, and Q4, and we have got to 1.5 million ARR in the last 4 quarters of sales. We're looking to raise a Series A very soon and open to conversations. Thank you.